and everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Monica, and today I am back with this video where I have created mnemonics for the position of appendix. So as we know that there are various position of appendix in our human body, and maybe we could mug up easily those positions and the timing, the for clock timing that they show. But during examination time we are going through so many of pressure, so many of tension, and during that time there are high chances that we will forget them, or we get confused with what with the timing of each other. Okay, so what I thought was to make a mnemonic so that it becomes easier for you guys to remember it. So for these mnemonics of appendix, what I have created is, here you can see there it is written: put egg to roast at 12, put egg to roast at 12 and serve 2 people at 4 at rupees 66. At, sorry, this is rupees, okay, this is rupees 66. Okay, so once again let me tell you: put egg to roast at 12 o'clock and serve 2 people at 4, okay, at 4 o'clock at rupees 66. So while looking, the mnemonic might look long, but it is very easy and very fast to remember. So this put stands for paracolic position, which signifies 11 o'clock. Paracolic, 11 o'clock. Now roast, R stands for retrocolic position, which signifies for 12 o'clock position. Now the serve stands for splenic position, which looks like 2 o'clock position. 2 o'clock in the clock. Okay. So people stands for pelvic, P-E-P, pelvic. 4 o'clock position. 66 means subcecal. Okay, subcecal. It is in subcecal area, so it is pointing towards subcecal area and it looks like 6 o'clock position. So this is the mnemonic. Once you remember this, forever in your life, you are never gonna miss it, never gonna make wrong about it. You will know everything about the position with this name. So once again let me tell you: put egg to roast at 12 and serve 2 people at 4, okay, and at rupees 66. Okay, put egg to roast at 12 and serve 2 people at 4 at rupees 66. P-E-R, this 12 as 2, P, 4, at and 66, and then there are the respective names, which is which makes you very easy to remember, because this question is important not just for SAQ but also for MCQ. You might be asked what is the major, what is the most common position that is retrocolic. Okay, 65% is, okay, this kind of position we can get. So this is very important, and then other name also can be given. You might be asked 4 o'clock position, okay, in which way, then it can be pelvic. When it is towards the pelvic, then it makes 4 o'clock position. So in this way you can remember it, and it will help you to remember it for a long time. So I hope that you like this mnemonic. If so, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So this is the mnemonic. I hope you guys liked it. You can copy it, and otherwise you can rewind this video and again watch it. I hope you guys like this video. If you like, please give like to my channel and do subscribe for more such beautiful mnemonics. Thank you so much. Bye bye.